How to undo and redo actions in WavePad. First of all, open WavePad and load the audio file you want to work on by clicking File and then Open File. Or simply drag and drop your audio into the WavePad window. Once your file is open, start editing as needed, whether trimming, cutting, applying effects, or adjusting volume. If you make a mistake or want to reverse an action, simply go to the top toolbar and click the undo button, which looks like a curved arrow pointing to the left. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo the last action. If you change your mind and want to redo the action you just undid, click the redo button, which is a curved arrow pointing to the right. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Y to redo the action. You can use undo and redo as many times as needed until you reach your desired result. These features help you quickly fix errors and experiment freely without worrying about losing your work. And that's it. Now you know how to undo and redo actions in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.